Okay, let's take a tour on our website. Uh, the front page, we have what we are offering. Everything is free, by the way. You don't have to create account or anything. Personally, I hate this. You get this for free, but you need to create an account, and then when you come in, you have to buy a trial and fuck all that shit. We don't want that. That's why I made it like you come into the website, you can see everything we have. We have our story, why we're doing what we're doing, and how it all started. And this is the only advertisement we have. That's the partner and exchange I'm using. Let's go into our free tools. This is the only indicator I'm selling, but you don't need it because I have the complete breakdown of the strategy also for free. But now I just go through some of the tools that we have, and we have like smart range breakout. It's the text when the price is consolidating, and it marks up all the candlesticks, and when it breaks out, you can trade. So it's a breakout strategy. You have advanced session profile predictor. It takes like the Asia session, London session, New York session, and predicts what the pattern has been in Asia and London. Let's say we're trading New York, and it predicts what's going to happen in New York session based on statistics and based on what kind of profile we are running. Are we in manipulation, consolidation, and stuff like that? So it's also pretty powerful. We have a lot. We have a lot. Take a look on the website. Everything is free. So you just go in, click in Danish or English, probably English for most of you. Then we have our education part of the website, and in here we also have a complete site for the open range breakout strategy, and we also have videos for it. We have little explanation what you need to do, what like your checklist, but the actual checklist. What what it comes down here, and you can just use it daily for your um, for your trading. It's a good checklist, and it makes you like you have this box, and that's the box you can work inside. If you don't check out these, do not trade. Then we have statistics, and let's just take one statistic. For example, this is statistics for more than 2 years of backtesting. And let's say if Asia session test of yesterday's high, there's an 88% chance of downwards movement. Let's see here. We are so close on the actual chart that we tested yesterday's high. Asia tested yesterday's high. If we hit it like exactly, there is an 88% chance that the market would go downwards. Just statistic to have in mind when you're trading. Then we have our education. It's also free. We have the kindergarten where it's the basics. And elementary school, it's where you are teach about the brokers, what to look for and what not to take, and what is the difference between order book A broker and an order book B broker and stuff like that. So you can go into a broker with confident and you are calm about it. So that's the elementary school. We can try open up everything here. In kindergarten and elementary school, there's no videos because it doesn't make any sense really to make it. So there, in the first couple, there is a little bit of reading, but if you wanna succeed, you need to work for it. Then we go to the middle school. Then we have complete breakdown of, let's say, support and resistance, how a Japanese candlestick work, Fibonacci, so on, so on, so on, so on. So I'm trying to give you the knowledge to create your own personal strategy. I'm teaching you about all these different tools that the trading world have, and your job is to find what suits you. I'm just explaining and educating in all the um, different. This is technical tools. Then in high school we go through divergencies, market sentiments, breakout, fake out, multi-time frame analysis and stuff like that. When you go into the actual course, I don't recommend you only see the videos because you're gonna miss a lot of good stuff. Um, but you also have pictures that explains everything. So it's also good. Then we have the PhD level. I only have made one video yet, but this is where we take up the knowledge and the difficulty a little bit. It's the last, so it's we are reading reports and how to read it and all that, trading with the news. There is carry trade, how you can actually make money by just holding a position. If you trade forex, you just need to pick the right pair, and then you make money overnight because of the swap. Normally you pay a swap when you have an overnight trade, but if you're trading a carry trade, that means the interest is different, and then you actually earns money to just hold the position. So it can also be a strategy. And the US dollar index, we go through the US dollar index, what it means, and blah 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 blah. Intermarket correlations, how gold affect Australian dollar and US dollar and Swiss franc. Uh, let's just take for an example. Australia is a major gold producer. When the price of gold rises, the Australian dollar often becomes stronger, and positive correlation. So you can actually trade with that knowledge if you're looking at the gold prices and the Australian dollar. If you trade forex, then you can use that. I'm just going through it very quickly, but we have a lot of free knowledge. Free knowledge. Then we have some tests you can do, and that's it for Swiftedge.io. Take a visit, take a look, use it if you want to use it. If not, your fault, your loss, I would say, because many people are paying thousands for all this information. I just got tired of scammers, people that trying to sell all kind of crap, and that's why I feel like Swiftedge is different, because one, we are making everything by ourselves. That means that we are making all the tools. So we have a little bit of market understanding. So we create tools. We have created the education part throughout 12 years of experience. And I just wanted to put two fat lines under the industry. You don't have to pay money to learn. This is just for you. The only thing I'm hoping is to be able to grow a community, and potentially if someone chooses the same broker I do, I would be happy, but I'm not forcing anyone to do it. If you have a broker, use your broker. But yeah, that's a quick rundown of our website. Not quick, it took 10 minutes, but yeah. See you in the next trading video.